Today we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of collard greens. So let's dive in. I'm a naturopathic doctor in Toronto. And if you're new here, welcome. Welcome. I make weekly videos on a wide variety of topics in health. Be sure to check out the playlist on nutrition to learn more about vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Collard greens are leafy greens that belong to the cabbage family, which also includes kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. Collards are low in calories and fat but packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This nutrient profile makes them an ideal food for maintaining good health and preventing disease. Collard greens are high in vitamin A, which is essential for good vision, healthy skin, and proper immune function. The vitamin A in collard greens comes mainly from beta-carotene, a pigment that gives fruits and vegetables their orange color. Our bodies convert beta-carotene into vitamin A as needed. Vitamin A plays a key role in many important bodily functions, including vision, immune function, cell growth and differentiation, reproduction, and the development of healthy bones and teeth. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin, meaning that it dissolves in fat and can be stored in our bodies. Unlike water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C, excess fat-soluble vitamins don't get flushed away when we urinate. Because of this, it's important not to consume too much vitamin A as it can lead to toxicity. However, it's very unlikely that someone would get too much vitamin A from collard greens alone. This is because vitamin A toxicity is usually associated with taking high doses of vitamin A supplements rather than getting it from food. Still, it's worth noting that collard greens and other leafy greens are generally considered safe to eat in moderate amounts. If you have concerns about your vitamin A intake, be sure to speak with your healthcare provider. Collard greens are also a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to the development of chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. In addition to its antioxidant properties, vitamin C also plays a key role in wound healing and immune function. It's also involved in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that's essential for healthy skin, bones, and joints. Collard greens are one of the richest sources of calcium among all plant foods. Calcium is a mineral that's essential for building strong bones and teeth. It also plays a key role in muscle contraction, nerve impulse transmission, and blood clotting. As you know, dairy products such as milk and yogurt are well-known sources of calcium. However, dairy products are not the only good source of this vital mineral. In fact, collard greens contain more than twice as much calcium as cow's milk. What's more, the calcium in collard greens is more bioavailable than that found in dairy products, meaning that it's more easily absorbed and utilized by the body. This is likely due to the fact that collard greens are a good source of oxalates, which bind to calcium and prevent it from being absorbed. On the other hand, dairy products are a good source of phosphorus, which can interfere with the absorption of oxalates. So if you're looking for a plant-based way to boost your calcium intake, collard greens are a great option. Just be sure to pair them with a source of vitamin D to help with absorption. Collard greens also contain a good amount of iron, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6. Iron is an essential mineral that helps transport oxygen throughout the body. It's especially important for women, who tend to lose iron through menstruation. Magnesium is a key player in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including the synthesis of proteins, DNA, and RNA. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a key role in maintaining fluid balance, supporting muscle function, and helping regulate blood pressure. Vitamin B6 is a water-soluble vitamin that helps the body make red blood cells and maintain proper brain function. Another benefit of collard greens is their low calorie count. They only have about 27 calories per 100 grams, making them a great choice for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. They're also a good source of dietary fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after a meal. Collard greens are very versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. They can be eaten raw or cooked, and they can be used in salads, soups, stews, and stir-fries. Collard greens are often used as a wrap instead of tortillas or bread. Collard green wraps are a great alternative to traditional wraps because they're lower in carbohydrates and calories. To make collard green wraps, simply remove the tough outer leaves of the collard greens and then steam or boil them for a few minutes until they re-tender. Once the collard greens have cooled, lay them out flat and spread your favorite wrap on top. You can use hummus, guacamole, or any other type of spread that you like. Add your favorite toppings and roll up the collard greens to make a wrap. That said, there are some potential downsides to consuming collard greens. First, they may cause digestive discomfort in some people due to their high fiber and oxalate content. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds found in many plant foods, including spinach, beets, and sweet potatoes. They can bind to calcium in the gut and form kidney stones. While kidney stones are usually harmless, they can sometimes cause severe pain. That's why people who are at risk for kidney stones need to be careful about how much oxalate they consume. For most people, though, collard greens should not cause any problems. The second potential downside to collard greens is that they can interact with certain medications. Collard greens are a good source of vitamin K, which plays a key role in blood clotting. Vitamin K is essential for the synthesis of several proteins involved in the coagulation cascade, which is the complex process that leads to the formation of a blood clot. Because of this, vitamin K can interact with blood-thinning medications such as warfarin. If you're taking a blood thinner, it's important to monitor your medication carefully when you start eating more collard greens. The same is true for people who are taking diabetes medications. Collard greens are a good source of alpha-lipoic acid, which has been shown to lower blood sugar levels. While this can be beneficial for people with diabetes, it can also make it difficult to control blood sugar levels. That's why it's important for people with diabetes to monitor their blood sugar levels closely when eating foods high in alpha-lipoic acid, such as collard greens. Finally, pregnant women should consume collard greens with caution. Collard greens are a good source of calcium, but this can be a problem for pregnant women who are already getting enough calcium from other sources. Consuming too much calcium can lead to a condition called hypercalcemia, which can cause a number of problems for both the mother and the baby. Symptoms of hypercalcemia include nausea, vomiting, constipation, fatigue, and depression. In severe cases, hypercalcemia can lead to kidney stones, osteoporosis, and even death. Overall, collard greens are a nutritious and delicious food that can provide a variety of health benefits. They're a good source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium. Collard greens are also low in calories and fat, making them a good choice for those who are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy diet. However, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides of consuming collard greens, such as digestive issues, medication interactions, and hypercalcemia during pregnancy. When consumed in moderation, collard greens can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. Please consult with your healthcare provider if you have any questions or concerns about using colloidal greens or any other supplements. Thanks for watching. Until next time.